In today's video, we're walking you through how to reset your Acer Predator Helios 300. Whether you're trying to fix performance issues, get rid of bugs, or just want a clean slate before selling it, this guide will help you do it the right way. First things first, make sure your laptop is completely powered off. Don't try to do this while it's still running or in sleep mode. Now we're going to boot into recovery mode. To do that, hold down the Alt key and the 10 key at the same time. While you're still holding those, press the power button to turn the laptop on. Keep holding Alt and F10 until you see the Acer recovery screen pop up. That will take you to the Windows recovery menu. Once you're there, click on troubleshoot and then select reset this PC. At this point, you'll get two options. You can choose keep my files, which removes apps and settings but keeps personal files like documents and photos, or you can go with remove everything, which completely wipes the laptop. This is what you want if you're doing a full reset or planning to sell or give it away. Pick the option that works best for you, then confirm and let it run. The reset process can take a bit of time depending on what you chose, so just be patient. The system may restart several times while it completes the reset. Once it finishes, your Helios 300 will either be cleaned up and running smoother or ready for a fresh start with a new user. If you continue to experience issues even after the reset, you may want to update your drivers or check for Windows updates to get everything running at its best.